When making or receiving a call, it's very important to know certain words and vocabulary that will help you resolve your issue or in order for the other person to understand you clearly. Therefore, in today's video, we're going to see and learn some of those words and when to use them. So, without any further ado, get your notebook out, صلي على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم, and let's jump straight in. When making or receiving a call, it's very important to greet the other person either by saying hi or hello. Hello is more on the formal side of things, whilst hi is informal. When the other person who is calling you is trying to make that you are the right person he or she is calling, they would ask, for example, is this Ayub? And then you can say speaking or yes, speaking. When you are making a call and you would like to be formal and you are seeking someone and the person who is speaking to you on the phone is not the person that you are seeking, you can say, may I speak to Muhammad, for example, or may I speak to Amin? When somebody is calling you and you don't necessarily know who they are, you can either say, who is this? Or who's calling? When you are on a call and you want to ask the person that you are speaking to wait for a little bit, you can say, can you hold on? Or please hold. When you are in a place that has low signal or bad connection, you can say, for example, sorry, bad connection. Can you hear me? Okay, when you want to explain to the other person the reason as to why you are calling, you can say, I'm calling about, and then you mention the reason, this, and that. I'm calling about, for example, ordering a pizza, or I'm calling about the job position, etc. When you want to call someone and then you accidentally dial the wrong number, you can simply say, sorry, wrong number. In case you're not hearing the other person well, you can say, for example, sorry, can you repeat that? If somebody left their phone with you for whatever reason, and then somebody else calls, and the person who is calling have some important information, here you can say, the person you are trying to call is not here, but you can leave a message with me and I'll make sure to tell him later. And finally, if a person is being annoying or is trying to get you to buy something, here in this situation you can say, I'm gonna have to hang up now. Which means I'm going to end this call right now for reasons that you are being simply annoying. These were the most important words that you need to eventually familiarize yourself with because you simply can't keep the conversation going on the phone without them. So, yeah, hopefully you've written them down on your notebook, and the most important thing is that do not ever forget to practice. And that's all she wrote. Until I see you in the next one, keep learning and keep growing. Peace out.